The Lord be with you.
and with your spirit.
A reading from the Holy Gospel according to St. Luke.
Glory to you, Lord.
While they were all amazed at the very deed, Jesus said to his disciples, "Pay attention to what I am telling you. The Son of Man is to be handed over to men." But they did not understand that saying. Its meaning was hidden from them, so that they should not understand it, and they were afraid to ask him about this saying. The Gospel of the Lord.
Praise you, Lord Jesus Christ.
Rejoice, O young man, while you are still young, and let your heart be glad in the days of your youth. Follow the ways of your heart, the vision of your eyes. Actually, in the first reading, Ecclesiastes advises the young, the youth, to rejoice in his life, follow what his heart desires. However, always remember and understand that you will not stay young. Death is inevitable. Death is sure. May time ang kabatanon, may time ang kamatayon. Everything has time, according to Ecclesiastes. So you have to understand your relationship with God. Tinuod ang mga batanon, mutuman man sa ilang gusto. Hindi man siguro na sayop, but ang advice is always remember your God. That you are answerable. You will be responsible for your actions. In the end, God will judge you according to your deeds. That's why, as early as the childhood, youth, to elderly, we have to be more conscious of our relationship with our God. Dili lang patuyang sa atong gibati. But we have to understand that God came to the world to save the world, to give life to the world. And Jesus now in the Gospel saying to his disciples, "Be attentive to what I say to you. The Son of Man will be handed over to men." In other words, patyon, paantuson ang anak sa tao. And they do not understand this saying. They will understand this after the resurrection of Christ. It was very painful for them, the death and the suffering of Jesus, their friend. Pero after the resurrection, they understand the meaning of dying on the cross. For them, the dying on the cross was a salvific action of God. Gingon nga ang pag-antos ni Jesus nagdala og salvation, kaluwasan sa tao. Now, we have to reflect, my brothers and sisters, our crosses according to Jesus. If we follow Him, then we take up our crosses. Ang cross ba nato makapaluwas ba sa atong isig katao? Kung atong sakripisyo makapaluwas ba sa atong mga igsuon? Dako kayong pangutana. Di ta magpatuyang sa atong kasing-kasing ug sa unsay atong makita. But We have to discern on the meaning of the sacrifice of Christ. Christ died on the cross to save the world. And as followers of Him, we have to discern that if our crosses, we follow Jesus and we carry our crosses, would this cross nga atong gipas-an makahatag bag kalinaw sa atong isig katawo? Usa siguro sa mga mahimo nato kanang paghatag og forgiveness. We give forgiveness. It's a sacrifice actually. Kung gipasakitan ka sa imong isig katawo, o niya imong i-forgive, dili na siya li. It's a sacrifice. Sakripisyo ka. And you need the grace of God. It's the grace of God who will help you to forgive. Nakana yung total, without condition, because you love your brothers and sisters. And this is the cross of Christ. So therefore, my brothers and sisters, we continue with this celebration. Let us reflect on the crosses that we carry. You see, does the cross give us a way to save the world? Or we are sacrificing out of nothing?